Ever dreamed of running a business where your products are always in stock, your store is open 24/7, and your customers span the globe? In today's guide, we're peeling back the curtain on the digital marketplace, a realm where your entrepreneurial dreams can become a vibrant reality. This is your first step towards owning a thriving online shop specializing in digital goods. In this guide, we're diving into the essentials of launching your digital products into the online market. By the time we wrap up, you'll have a solid grasp of digital products, including where to market them and common pitfalls to avoid, as making certain mistakes early on can be easily dodged. Start your success journey here. For anyone embarking on the digital product business journey, you're in the right spot. Kicking off, understanding digital products and their perks. What exactly are digital products? They're items you can't hold physically because they exist online. Whether it's ebooks for readers who prefer their tablets over paper, or resume templates for job seekers wanting to stand out, digital products come in various formats. For instance, instead of a physical book, an ebook is a file you download and enjoy on your device. Similarly, if you're crafting resume templates, customers can purchase and tailor them to their specifics without ever holding a physical copy. The advantages of selling digital products. 1. No need for physical storage. Say goodbye to worrying about where to stock your inventory. Digital products live online, freeing you from the constraints of physical space. 2. Lower expenses. Forget about manufacturing and shipping costs. This significant reduction in overhead leads to better profit margins for you. 3. Worldwide sales. Digital products allow you to reach customers across the globe with ease, unlike the logistical challenges of shipping physical goods. 4. Ease of scaling. Selling digital allows for easier scaling of your business. My first digital sale was a small but pivotal moment, proving that if I could sell to one person, I could reach hundreds more. 5. Operational flexibility. All you need is reliable internet and a laptop to manage your digital store from anywhere, even from a beach in Bali. Where should you sell your digital products? Choosing the right platform is crucial. While there are many options like Gumroad or Shopify, Etsy stands out, especially for those just starting. Etsy's advantage lies in its vast customer base, ready and waiting to explore new digital offerings. This built-in audience means you don't have to start from scratch to build your customer base, making it an ideal platform for newcomers to the digital product space. Why Etsy? Etsy is unparalleled for digital sellers due to its massive audience, access to millions of active buyers without needing your own following. Seller tools. With robust analytics and easy setup, Etsy makes it straightforward to start and grow your digital shop. No need for an initial audience. You can achieve success on Etsy using their platform to attract customers, focusing on optimizing your listings for Etsy's search engine to get discovered. For anyone diving into the digital marketplace, understanding what digital products are, their benefits, and where to sell them is just the beginning. Remember to conduct thorough research and choose a platform that complements your product and audience. And if this video is providing the insights you are looking for, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on navigating the digital product landscape successfully. Let's delve into the reasons I favor Etsy for selling digital products. Firstly, Etsy's massive user base is a goldmine for sellers. This platform has a dedicated audience actively searching with specific keywords, which means if you tailor your marketing and product development based on your audience's needs, you're set for success. Etsy simplifies tracking your shop's performance with its comprehensive dashboards and analytics, making it easier for you to spot areas for improvement. Plus, getting started on Etsy is a breeze, even without an existing customer base. selecting the right digital products. Now, understanding the advantage of selling on Etsy, it's crucial to decide what digital products align with your talents and market demand. The digital realm is vast, offering everything from social media templates to specialized financial spreadsheets or creative wedding templates. With a bit of research, you'll discover a range of product ideas suitable for your skill set. Remember, the approach to selling remains consistent on Etsy regardless of the product. Navigating common pitfalls. One common error many new sellers make is hopping onto trends without thorough research. It's essential not just to follow the crowd, but to dive deep into market analysis. Tools like eRank are invaluable for understanding supply and demand dynamics, helping you identify niche categories with high potential. Personalizing your approach and establishing a unique selling point are key to standing out. Mastering market research on Etsy. Before you launch, investing time in market research is critical. Instead of rushing to list your products, analyze your competition, read customer reviews, and use tools for niche exploration. This strategic approach, which I've honed over years of creating successful Etsy shops, involves identifying less saturated niches within broader categories. For instance, if you're into digital planners, narrow down to specific themes like savings challenge planners, each with its unique style and audience. Understanding your customers. Getting to know what your potential customers are looking for is step 2. Sifting through competitors' reviews can unveil what buyers appreciate and what they don't, guiding you to fine-tune your offerings. Market research is not a step to skip. It's the compass that guides your digital product venture. Many overlook this phase, but doing your homework beforehand truly pays off, preventing wasted effort and steering clear of common missteps. In wrapping up, whether you're new to digital products or looking to expand, remember that success lies in strategic planning and understanding the specific nuances of digital sales. For anyone eager to dive deeper into crafting a profitable digital shop on Etsy, my upcoming videos will cover everything from product selection to marketing strategies. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and strategies to boost your online business. See you in the next tutorial. If you found value in our exploration of the digital marketplace, consider subscribing to Profitability Plus. Here, we're all about turning potential into profit, sharing tips, tricks, and insights to help you succeed online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content that can transform your digital aspirations into achievements. Unlock your true potential with us. See you in the next video, and remember, the digital world awaits your mark.